Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. I am going to discuss surface area and volume. This is the topic of mathematics and this video for class 10. As we know that this question is based on class 9 also. So it is applicable for both classes. Now look on this. As the question is saying, a copper wire 3 millimeter in diameter. This is the copper wire. The thickness of this wire is 3 millimeter diameter. Now this wire is used to wrap along the cylinder, which diameter is given 10 centimeter and height is given 12 centimeter. Okay. So when wire is used to wrap along this cylinder, and what is the total length of wire? We have to find the length of wire, volume of wire and weight of wire. Okay, if density of copper is 8.88 gram per centimeter cube and the value of pi we have to use 3.14 only. Okay, now this is the copper wire. What is the thickness? 3 mm. Thickness means it is the diameter. If the diameter is 3 mm, radius will be 3 by 2 mm. If it is converted into centimeter divided by 10, then radius of this wire is 3 by 20 centimeter. Now question is there, this is the cylinder we have to wrap along its boundary and along its circumference, evenly wrapped, and we have to wrap up to the whole curved surface area of this cylinder. That means what? In one wrapping, we are using 3 mm centimeter of wire in height. In second wrapping, again 3 centimeter of wire in height. So like this way, in how many turns we are approaching the height of 12 centimeter? That should be the number of turns. The number of turns equal to total height of the cylinder by the thickness of wire that is used as the height is raised in one turning. Okay, that is the 12 centimeter by 3 mm, centimeter converted into millimeter. Don't go in decimal, better to multiply by 10. Okay, the 12 into 10, 120 mm and 3 mm. So it is 40 turns. How many turns are there? 40 turns are there. Now, what is the length of wire is used in 1 turn? What is the boundary of this curved surface area? The boundary of this curved surface area according to this radius. The radius is 5 centimeter and boundary means this is a circular base now. So circumference of the circle of the base. So length of wire in 1 turn 2 pi r. How many turns? 40 turns. The length of wire in 40 turns. So 40 into 2 pi r. So 40 to 80 pi r. 80 put pi value 3.14 and r value 5 centimeter. When you do the multiplication, you are getting 1256 centimeter about. Okay, this is the length of wire is 1256 centimeter. So what should be the length of copper wire? That is used to wrap along its boundary up to the upper layer. So it is 1256. So that's why I got the answer of first question, length of wire. Now volume of wire. This length of wire is used as height of the cylinder and this is the radius. The radius and height is given, we can find the volume. The volume of wire means volume of copper wire pi r square h. According to the look, this is the cylinder, so pi r square h. Pi value, radius is 3 by 20 square and height is 1256. This is the volume, the unit will be centimeter cube. Do the calculation, 9 by 400 multiply by 3.14 multiply by 1256. You will do the calculation and get your answer 88.74 centimeter about. Okay. Now, as we know that density equal to mass by volume. So mass equal to density into volume. This is the third question. The mass and weight is similar in mathematics. We are looking the weight here saying that means we have to find the mass. So density into volume, that is the mass. So what is the density of copper metal? This is 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Just put it. And what is the volume of copper wire? Volume of copper wire already I have 88.74 centimeter cube. If you multiply both value, you are getting 788.01. So better to leave the decimal 0.01, neglect it. 788 gram. This is the weight of this copper wire. I think so you understood this question. Now my dear, I am going to discuss another question. In that question, I will discuss how the speed of flow of water is used as the length of wire, the length of pipe. And when it is discharged into the tank, how the level of water will raise in the tank. Okay, so one more question I am going to use in this video. Question is what? Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe. Look at this. This is the pipe. Okay. Water is flow through this pipe. This is the pipe. Water is flow through the pipe. This is the flow of water. Okay. This is second question. And the speed of flowing the water is 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. That means for 1 hour, okay, we are taking the length of this wire as 15 kilometer. That means 15,000 meter. Okay. Now, what is the diameter of wire? Diameter of wire is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So radius will be 7 centimeter. Yeah, you can say 7 by 100 meter. Clear? This is this. Now this water is discharged. This water is discharged into a tank. Let me write this value down. Okay. So here it is 15,000 meter. Okay. This water is discharged into a tank. Okay. Rectangular tank. This is a rectangular tank in which water is going to be discharged. This is the rectangular tank. Okay, this is the rectangular tank. This is the rectangular tank in which water is going to be discharged. This one. Yes, this is. Which length is given? What is the length of this tank is given? 50 meter long. 50 meter long. Breadth is given how much? 44 meter wide. 44 meter wide. Now, find the time in which level of water will rise by 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, that means 21 by 100 meter. Okay. So this water is discharged into a tank. This is called tank, in which water is going to be filled. Okay. So what is the question? Find the time in which level of water will rise. So what is the volume of tank we have to find, and what is the volume of this pipe we have to find. So here H is we have to take 15,000 meter for 1 hour. So just go with the unity method. Okay. Let me find the volume of tank. Volume of tank equal to, okay, length into breadth into height. So 50 into 44 into how much? 21 by 100. 21 by 100 meter cube. Okay, this is the volume of tank. Okay. Now what I have to do? Volume of pipe. Volume of pipe for 1 hour. For a 1 hour. Because for 1 hour, 15 kilometer is taken as the length, 15,000 meter. So pi value Here it is given nothing. That means 22 by 7 we can use. 22 by 7. R value, R is what? R is 7 by 100. 7 by 100. Okay? Into H. 15,000 meter cube. Okay? That means that amount of water flow through this pipe in 1 hour. We have to go with the unity method. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 to the whole square into 15,000 meter cube water flow in 1 hour. In 1 hour. Clear? Now 1 meter cube water flow in how much? Okay, it will go divide. So what I will do? 1 oblique total value 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 to the whole square into 15,000. Okay, and the unit will be hour. Okay, hour. Now, what is the volume of tank? This is the volume of tank. So what I will do? We will write here 50 into 44 into 21 by 100 meter cube water. Flow in how much time? You have to write here 1 by 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 to the whole square into 15,000. Okay, then multiply here this value 50 into 44 into 21 by 100 hour. Okay, what you will do? This 100 will come down. This 100 will come down. Look at this properly. Okay, this 100 will come down and this 100 will come up. This 100 will come up, my dear. Look at this. Okay, no. Okay, beta shifting is there. Wait. Let me have to put something. Okay. Look. Here it is. Now, this 100 will come down. This 100 will come down. And this 100 will come up. This 7 will come up. After doing this, we are getting the calculation. The calculation will be, what the time is there? The time will be 2 hours. The time will be 2 hours. Okay? So just it is the working of calculation. I think you will do. Okay? So nothing I have done. This is the wire, this is the pipe. 15 km per hour, this is the speed of water flowing. Okay, water is discharged into a tank. The speed of water flow is 15 km per hour. So for 1 hour, height of wire, the length of wire is supposed to be 15 km, 15,000 meter. And diameter of this wire is 14 centimeter, radius 7 centimeter, 7 by 100 meter. Now this water is discharged into a tank. Length, breadth, height is given. The volume of tank, length, breadth, height multiply. And volume of pipe in 1 hour, 22 by 7, 7 by 100 square, 15,000 meter cube. Just go with the unity method. That amount of water flow in 1 hour. So 1 meter cube flow in 1 by this. 100 2 times will go up, 7 1 times it will go up, and 22 7 into 7 and 15,000 will remain in down. Now, what is the volume of tank? 50 into 44 into 21 by 100. This amount of water flow in. So what the solution is came, that is multiplied by 50 into 44 into 21 by 100. After calculation, you are getting the 2 hours. This is the video. Thank you.